Hi, this is Jamie with Knit Locally. I wanted to just do a really quick tutorial on I-cord. You can use this for any I-cord, but for right now we're actually just giving this tutorial regarding the face masks that we're having to wear right now out in public in Montgomery County. These are not medical grade. This is simply for face covering to protect you, to protect your loved ones when you're out. If you're like me, you're running out of elastic and ribbon. So what you can do, I would use a superwash wool. This example I'm using is a non-superwash. But what you can do if you're running out of ribbon is make an I-cord and sew it on there. And I'll show you how to make an I-cord. The superwash will just allow you to wash it in the washer and dryer. The non-superwash would actually felt. So what you want to do is make your slip knot. This is easier with double points or a longer circular needle. You want to just cast on 3 stitches. I have not made a long enough tail. So you just want to cast on 3 stitches. And this goes for any I-cord. The trick with an I-cord is you're actually just going to slip it back to where you started. And you'll notice your end is actually on the left-hand side, which is different. Normally it'd be coming from the right. But you're going to actually just knit into the 3 stitches. And this is where it gets weird. Oh, hold on. There we go. Okay, you're going to knit into those 3 stitches, slide it to the end, so your working yarn is actually coming from your left again. This is just my tail. And we're going to start knitting again. And it just creates this wraparound effect. This is why it's easier if you use double points. Again, you're just going to slide it and knit again. This is English knitting. I'm going to show you continental in a second. So you can see it's starting to form that little traditional I-cord that we all kind of know. Pull out some more yarn. So I'm going to slip it again. For you continental knitters, it's a little bit weird because it's coming all the way from the left-hand side. I'm going to just wrap around and knit. I tend to just pull it after each time, slide it again. Again, it's coming from the left, which is just strange, but it just creates this tube. So after you go, so we can see what it looks like, kind of creates just this tube. This will give you a pretty sturdy tube that will act like a ribbon. It's good if you're doing ties on a hoodie or ties on a little bonnet for a child, something like that. So this is used very commonly for right now. It's a substitute if you have scrap yarn that you can use for your masks. And then you would just sew it like you would the tie. I'm making mine about 18 inches. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.